Hi, this is Jim Beck, President of Baytech Mobile. I'm glad you came back to watch our second video. This video is going to actually be about creating your first contact list, getting a keyword associated with that list, and practicing sending a text message to yourself so you can get opted in and you can watch the process. As we discussed on the first video, our system is a what's called double opt-in process. That is the bad side. The great side is once somebody is opted in, your message will get read. And let me give you an example. Think about the last time you received a text message on your phone. How long did it take you to look at your phone when you heard that noise or saw that notification, either in your screen or a little light flashing? That's the power of text message. Your message, once you build a list, will be seen like that. And the reason why it will be seen like that is because the folks that do opt into your list are interested in your business type, your product type, your event type, whatever it is that you're promoting, they're opting in to receive information. The other reason that they're going to open it is they know that they can get out. One of the great things about our system is it's easy to get off of a list. The simplest way is to reply stop to the message. If they do that, the system automatically removes them from your list. If that doesn't work for them for some reason, and they call you and they complain, or they say, please remove me from your list, it's an extremely simple process, and I'll show you in this video how to enter their mobile number, search for it, and opt them out. It takes 10 seconds. And our key and our goal in this presentation is to show you that we would rather send to 100 people that want your information than 1,000 that don't. So our system is non-spam. It's fully compliant with the do not call registry because it's a double opt-in system, but it's one of the most powerful systems on the planet, in my humble but accurate opinion, of being involved in digital marketing for almost a decade now and being involved in technology my entire life. So we're going to go through how to create a list and how to create a keyword and how to send a text to yourself so you can get opted in. The easiest way is across the front of this screen, you'll see features, contacts, and reports. As I put my mouse over them, you see there's a little movement there. Features is what you're seeing now. That's all of the features that are available in our software. Now, please understand this is a demo account, so not every feature is in here. There are additional features that will come active to you when you become a full account. Second thing is the contact section. When you click on it, this is your list section. Right now, as a new demo account, you have no list. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a test list. So to do that, you come over into this area and let me show you where I'm talking about here, right here. And what you do is create a new list. So we're going to call this test list 1, and then the available keywords. Now, again, on our system, the thing that you have to understand is when you have a full system, you can request a new keyword and ask for it to say testing demo 1 and do it all in one word, check, and then you can lease your keyword. However, on the demo account, you're going to see you must activate your account in order to lease custom keywords. So in this environment, that's your typical way. So under the demo account, I'm going to go back to the top part and click on the logo, and I'm going to come into the keywords section. And the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is allow it to generate on a shortcode. And let me explain what shortcodes are. Shortcodes are a direct connection into the major cell phone providers. We have a direct connection, however, we have some things that we have to follow in terms of compliance to be able to send messages to T-Mobile and Verizon and AT&T and all the other providers out there, all of their cell phones. So by what we have done is we've entered into an agreement through a shortcode that says we will send traffic down and we will pay for that traffic. That is why we charge for our service, because we get charged for each message that goes across the network. So with that saying, though, because you're charged for each message that goes across the network, you're guaranteed throughput on that network. Now, we don't guarantee throughput on every network. However, the majors are covered. Some of the prepaid wireless providers out there do block the short code messaging. So that is really between the provider and their consumer. It's nothing that we can change. We would love to be able to change it, but it's nothing that we could be able to change. So what we're going to do is also let you know that we're one of the only providers in the country that has what's called a backup shortcode. Why is that important? Because we are in a shared shortcode environment. So that means that there is a lot of compliance that has to occur amongst everybody. And sometimes people might make a mistake. Now, we regulate ourselves and we're audited on a monthly basis. So we take a look and we make sure that no messages are being sent that are against the rules of the road. Basically, the rules of the road for text message marketing is if you have to be 18 years of age or older to purchase or enter the property or purchase the product, then it cannot be sent through text. We call that the T-Mobile rule, not really our rule. However, that is the rule. So please abide by these guidelines and the terms of service, because we don't want to cut anybody off, but we've had to protect our short codes. If you have any questions about additional items or don't know if your actual product or service will work on our service, feel free to call us. We'll talk with you about it, and more than likely it does. You can reach us again, 888-374-0555. Okay, so we're going to get back to generating a system shortcode. Keyword here, and we're going to use the shortcode 40691. And so when I generate a keyword here, it's going to go ahead and generate QU29. And what happens in that environment under QU29 is that now right there is your keyword that you will be playing with during the demonstration the entire time until you upgrade and activate your account. This is the one that you will use. So what we'll do is we'll click on, once again, the logo. Oh, sorry. We have to actually click on getting out of here. And now we're back into the contact list. So if we click on the logo, I apologize for that little step. Again, if you get caught in anywhere, you click on the logo, it takes you right back to this front page. So now we're going to go into the contacts and we're going to create that list. So you say create new list. We're going to say test list 1. I'm going to go ahead and see that there's an available keyword here, and I'm going to add it to this list. Now, what is this section right here? This is what gets sent as a confirmation once somebody opts in by replying yes. So what you can do is Joe's Pizza. And one of my trademarks is I always enter a phone number on my text messages so that the customer prospect can always click to call right from the text into your business, your cell phone, whatever number you use to create your business with. So over on the right hand side, one of the things that you'll see as I started to type was our simulator automatically shows you what the message is going to look like on a phone. And it's going to count how many characters you actually have. So again, I'll go ahead and show you right over here that right now it has 106 characters because Joe's Pizza with that phone number shows 106. In the United States and UK, we have 160 characters per message. That's what the providers allow. And when they allow that, that's what you do. If you go over the 160 messages or 60 characters, it's okay. However, please understand that you will be charged not 1, but 2 credits for that message. And the customer will also receive 2 text messages. So best practices and recommendation is that you stick within 1 message each time. So what I like to do is finish up the message with a little thank you. All right. Thanks. You're in. You are in. And what this does is this just gives a confirmation to the client that is opting in that they're in. They just got opted in. And if you want to send them an offer, you'll use this option of opt-in with the reward coupon. However, we don't have a coupon made. That's going to be in the next video. So I'm going to save this list right here. And in the next video, you'll see how we create an actual coupon. Thank you.